Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be cleaning out my fridge and giving it a good deep clean. I haven't cleaned this out since we moved in, so it definitely needs it. So first thing I'm doing is just taking everything out of the fridge, obviously, and I will go through it as I take some stuff out, and then some stuff I'll just go through when I have it all out on the counter.
Paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights, paint the skies, only you can make me so alive.
And here I'm showing you what the fridge looked like before I cleaned it. You can see all the little crumbs and specks of dirt and food and stuff. It's really gross, and I did not realize it was this bad. And of course I'm using my Method all-purpose spray. I love this stuff. It smells so good. If you guys haven't tried this out, I highly recommend you try this scent. It smells amazing. This thing was really gross. Look how nasty. Ew. And now that I've got everything out on the counter, I just start going through stuff and throwing some stuff away. And here's where I dropped the can of crescent rolls on the ground and it busted open. And you can't see my face very good, but I was super, super upset about that. And now I'm just going through everything that's out on the counter and throwing old stuff away and just getting everything ready to go back in the fridge. it's time to move on to the door. And so I'm just going to be doing the same thing, taking everything out, going through everything, throwing away stuff that needs to be thrown away, and cleaning out all the trays.
Off and on again. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense. I feel it again, I feel it again, I feel it again. We're bringing this back to life. The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for them, just a time, just like another season. You came into my life just like another season. Not for them, just a time, just like another season.
Alright guys, so that completes this video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like it and subscribe to my channel if you are new. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Another season, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. The seasons turn and change just like your mind.